What's going on, guys? We're out here, another video. PGA ponds. You know I had to do it. Today we're coming out here with a rattle and we'll see how it does. Let's get right into it. All right, now that we're out here, you guys can see, got the white braid on it. We got rid of the flora. I hate flora so much. I could not stand it. We had to do a change. I was gonna lose my mind if I didn't change. Just got one. Just as soon as you said it.
I just said to him, you can't say that. That's big.
That's a nice one. Healthy.
Largemouth bass, is that what that is?
Yeah, largemouth, yeah. Have a nice day. On the terrible cast too. Oh my God. The luck of that as soon as he asked to. Yeah, I see why he was over here. Look at the, I don't know if you guys can see right there, there's a little pot of bait. All right, guys, we're on this side of the pond now. Now I'm thinking right along this rock line. I don't know about you guys, but I'm thinking there's one right here. Small one. But I knew there was one. Okay. Let's get in there. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Nice little bass. Back in the water he goes. That drag needs to be set tighter. I can't be having drag pulled on those small ones like that on setting hook. You're good. Thank you. Thank you. Nice. Nice. Nice bass, really long, kind of skinny. Get him back in the water. Let's get another one. All right, so right here, another pond. Let's see if we can pull up anything. That's a nice one. That's a freaking nice one, man. Oh my God. Let's, ooh, baby. Let's get a scale on this thing real quick and get him back in the water. Oh my, that's 4.5 at least. I'm saying that's 4.5. Final answer, four. No, let me feel him. Oh, no. Maybe 5. This is maybe 5. It's in kg, so we'll do the transfer after, so you can get him back in the water safely. Say 212. It's in between what the two numbers were. 212. Okay. Look at this baby. Look how fat he is. It was let's see. I think a kilogram's 2.2. Right. So let's see.
That was quite a fish.
Yeah, just holding on to him is making my knuckle bleed up here.
Really? So we're back in already?
Yeah. 4.7.
Wow.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
He was a nice.
What is it, bass?
Yeah, largemouth.
Did you throw him back or what?
Yeah, I put him back in.
You put him back in.
Yeah, they all have parasites in these ponds, so they grow like above them. Yeah, they're not good eating.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just missed another one. Nice. That's unfortunate. He looked about maybe 2. He was way smaller, so I'm not upset about losing him. I got more than I deserve out of that almost 5-pounder, but not quite. Are not eating. And I don't know what to do to get the majority of them to eat. I'm on. Oh my God, these are the most unhealthy looking bass I've ever caught. What is wrong with these things, man? Oh, that's not a good hook set. Get that out of there. Easy. Look at how unhealthy these bass look. They're so pale. Ooh, that's not good. Like, those things are beyond pale. Yeah. When reeling him in, I did break one of his gills, so he might die, but it's unfortunate, but I just, like, there's no way there's a big bass in here. That's the way they look. I think the dude is beyond pale. Like, that is just, I don't even get how you could be alive and not unhealthy. Like, there's the difference. Like, the other basses I was catching, they're all green, they're all pretty, and a white belly. Those things are just, ugh. Bigger than I thought. Oh. That's what I mean. Healthy looking bass. Black on top, green in the middle. Nice looking bass. Okay, let's get him back in there. Perfect release. Okay, man. Those guys are eating, man. I questioned myself if I actually felt a bass eat. There we go. That's crazy. I think I saw 2 bass chasing when I ripped this one out of the chum. Okay. It's not a right hook set, but it worked for what it needed to be. Try to get back at that one right there. Felt like a decent one, like 2 pounds maybe, I don't know. Like I said, I can't freaking judge how big they are based on how hard they hit with this kind of reel, the bait caster. If you get me with a spinner rod with braid, man, I know how big that bass is gonna be just by the hit. Like a wizard when it comes to that stuff, but the bait casters are not my thing, man. Not my thing. Come on, Mr. Bass. Got him. I don't know if this is him, but I felt a bite and I got him. Small. Very, very small. But that's all right. That's all right tonight. All right, so I would consider that a pretty good day. I caught a nice 5-pounder almost, 4.7, and nothing else I can do besides that. I put my heart and soul into it, and I got some good fish out of it, and hope you guys had a good time watching. Peace out.